morning.
Good morning.
One thing to all of you, check your roster sheet and mention your name or RBID on the top.
Already shared in the Pune WhatsApp group. So kindly fill the form. Yeah, only for members, not for the guests.
So as you all know that we are here for the business or for networking. For which purpose we are here? Business or networking?
Networking.
People who I meet, everyone understood that what's the use of uniforms, and even they have small industries, but they can use for their branding, and many one they understood.
But this is one platform I experienced across India. People have come together to have networking and the build relationship and the business.
I think I'm the only one to say that before the meeting started, I had 2 partnerships already and I've already gotten business.
These schools, those who wants to set up their schools, you can connect with her.
और मैं मनोज जैन हूँ। सभी करोड़पति लोगों से मेरा अनुरोध है कि जितना भी आप पैसा कमाएंगे वो पैसा आपका सेफ जब रहेगा जब आपके दरवाजे खिड़के मजबूत रहेंगे, जिसको चोर भी तोड़ नहीं पाएगा। वैसे दरवाजे मैं प्रोवाइड करता हूँ जिसमें 12 लॉक 20 लॉक होंगे। जो भी आपके दोस्त मित्र करोड़पति होंगे उनसे मुझे ज़रूर कनेक्ट कराइए।
आपको एक बार आपका लोन हो जाता है, मेरे को कांटेक्ट कीजिए। हाउसिंग लोन होता है, मैं एक्सक्लूशन स्टार्ट होते हैं, टीएमटी, सीमेंट, आपका पाइप, एंगल, चैनल, बीम, रेक्टेंगल ट्यूब्स और सैनिटरी वेयर, स्टील डोर्स, स्टील विंडोज, सब कुछ मेरा है।
Vastu consultant from Jaipur. Ask is to connect with any builders.
I am Microsoft certified data analytics trainer. I take online classes of Microsoft Excel and Power BI. My connects would be every house, every member is my connect because I am into an Ayurvedic wellness products.
मैं मिसेस विनी मिश्रा, मैं मेटल आर्ट में काम करती हूँ और मुझे आर्किटेक्ट इंटीरियर डिजाइनर से कनेक्ट करवाए। थैंक यू।
Anyone wants to be coached or has any problem with children?
I help you to scale your business, whatever X you want within 6 months to a year. And my ask is any business owner who really serious about doubling his product or services. And my ask is also any CEO of any company.
We are looking for ad agency, digital agencies, and we are providing the product where you can streamline your business so that you can spend more time with your spouse.
And I'm into manufacturing of handmade natural soaps. I'm looking for any kind of export houses who are into export of soaps and cosmetics.
And I'm into industrial crane manufacturing. We take up all kinds of industrial cranes. So if you can connect me to any heavy industry which requires cranes, material handling, we lift anything, anywhere.
My brand in the name of Adhira Numerology. So I would like to get connect. For me, every person is a connect. But if can someone connect me to any celebrity in their contact links, it will be of great help.
और मैं जो हूँ म्यूजिकल प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइजर हूँ और मैं प्रोफेशनल सिंगर भी हूँ। वॉइस ऑफ किशोर के नाम से नवी मुंबई और मुंबई में हमारा नाम चलता है। तो आप सभी जो है संगीत से जुड़े हुए लोग हैं तो सभी मेरे क्लाइंट्स हैं, कोई भी मुझसे संपर्क कर सकता है। धन्यवाद।
मैं होम केयर प्रोडक्ट में डील करता हूँ। ब्रांड नेम है नेचर इन, कंपनी नेम है जीरो माइल फ्यूचर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। स्लोगन है आरती हो या नमाज या हो चर्च के पैर, नेचर इन करता है हम सबकी केयर। थैंक यू।
We are into staffing and recruitment. We cater the whole of India as well as few more countries. So any kind of staffing requirements you have, you can contact me. I'm from Chennai. Like I said, we have our presence pan-India.
We are the manufacturing for handloom cloth. We have more than 350 varieties of fabric. My ask would be any fashion designer.
I'm looking for connecting with parents who have children in the age group of 13 years to 17 years.
and they send the children to international schools. I provide my services across the globe.
I am a numerologist, career counselor, child counselor, and other many services. My good connects is any individual from born baby to senior citizen or whoever is looking for help, support and guidance, and any startup or any school, college coaching classes.
मेरी कंपनी का नाम है सोशल फाउंड्री. हम लोग डिज़ाइन में काम करते हैं. तो डिज़ाइन में क्या, तो वेबसाइट डिज़ाइन, बिजनेस प्रेजेंटेशंस डिज़ाइन एंड ग्राफिक डिज़ाइन. तो मुझे कनेक्ट्स चाहिए बिजनेस कंसल्टेंट एंड मार्केटिंग कंसल्टेंट पैन इंडिया में.
And I'm in the category of gym and sports equipments, and I'm also looking for connects for sports infrastructure.
So we are a doorstep car cleaning company from last 19 years, having presence in Mumbai and Pune. I'm basically looking for franchises of my company to be given pan India, more in Mumbai and Pune.
ಅಂಬಿಕಾ ಜೋಶಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಟಿ. ಊಟ ಸುಮಾರಾಗಿದೆ.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್.
प्लीज अकोमोडेट योरसेल्फ. 5 लोग बैठ जाओ. डिस्कशन थोड़ी देर के लिए रुका लो बस. फन एक्टिविटीज फॉर यू, जहाँ पे यू विल नॉट ओनली हैव फन but also network indirectly.
So what we're going to do is very simple. So each one of you can give out some single digit numbers which come to your mind. Anything like 3, 9, 0, 6, whatever number it comes to your mind. I'll write them down on the board, and later on we'll have some fun. Is that okay? Yeah. Hello, is that okay? Yeah. Great. 9, 5, 3, 1, 2, 0, 8, 1, 4, 5, 9, 5, 3, 9, 0, 2, 7, 8, 1. If I ask you how much time do you think you would require to remember that number in the same order? My target is 2 minutes. Probably I'll try to finish faster. Let's see how it goes, okay? The number goes something like, we start with 9, 5, 3, 1, 4. 4 के बाद में 7, then you have 1, 2 and 6, then you have 8, then you have a 0, then 2, then a 5, 9, 4, 1, 1, 9, 7. I think sir अब थोड़ा उस साइड जाएंगे ना. हाँ, great. 9, 7 है, उसके बाद में 8, then you have a 6, then 3, 5, 9, 4, 8, 7, then you have a 0, and then you have a 6, 5, 3, and 9, 0, 2, 7 and 1. And let me tell you, this is not the complete story. This is not that, I have if you want to do the networking, the first thing is remember the people's names. Now my personal belief is, if you can remember people's name, you don't have to say a word. If you can call people by name, it's a very special way to say I care, right? So that's how the bonding happens, and this could be the first step. So try it out, things will work out. Thank you so much.
It's time to show what we have as an entrepreneur, business owner and a professional. We have our own skills, we have our own sets. We think अपने professional और business के हिसाब से. Now every people are sitting. आप लोग as a team हो. Now you need to remake a product. आपको एक product दिया जाएगा. You need to remake a product right from the niche. So the product is bottle.
Idea, and I really thank to Advocate Shalini and team. Pune team. Okay. But it was well executed, well planned, and something new where we learn together. One of the new flavor of networking, and I really like it. And even in last bit also something story was there with now again these people did so great. I feel that it was a good investment of time, and you fulfilled the expectation which I had.
After meeting all of the members over here, I understood that the quality, the cream team is over here right with me, because everyone is down to earth, everyone is talking sweetly, no one showing the kind of attitude that people hate.
The creativity, the brotherhood, and also fun, everything together. So that's what it's all about. Are we really building relationship? And I had fun, even if I just came this morning 2 o'clock. I haven't slept yet. Whole night I was on train, not sleeping, but still I'm feeling like I can go another 6 hours. That's the beauty of it. Thank you everyone.
Today I met Archana ji. When I met her, and then she said she'll read the mind, she'll read the numbers, and she'll read by looking at the watch. And the moment I gave my phone number, and she could predict some of the things which happened.
यहाँ आने के बाद मैं नेशनल मीटिंग मैंने फर्स्ट अटेंड की। यहाँ आने के बाद मुझे जो एक होम जैसा लगा कि सब लोग एक दूसरे के साथ अच्छे से बॉन्डिंग करके हम लोग नेटवर्किंग कर रहे थे, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ आके। और दूसरी बात क्या है कि मुझे यहाँ एक खासियत और मिली, मतलब समझ में आई कि हम लोग जितना एक्टिव रहेंगे तो हम लोग झलकेंगे।
You know what I in short say AAM? How many people know that AAM? Only 1%, 2%, 3%. So these are the people who raising hand. It means they are active members. Give a big applause for all these people. AAM is a complete training of networking platform, because when you attend meetings every day you would be growing like a tree. Can you see the growth of a tree? No, but it's consistent. Most of people are failed in networking platform because they are not consistent.
हमारा ब्रांड नेम है गंगा जल। टैगलाइन है हमारी, पवित्र ऐसा गंगा जैसा। लोकेशन हमारा नागपुर है।
Now we have come up with water which is absolutely unique. Have you all heard of that story of a man who was caught at the airport with a passport which was 110 years old? You know where was he from? He was from Kashmir, Hunja Valley. And that water is considered to be the purest in the world. So here...
What? D war. मतलब कि आपके घर में अगर वॉर हो रही है और घर में कलर चेंज हो गए तो आपकी वॉर कम हो सकती है। डी वॉर क्या होता है कि पानी के बोतल से हमने बनाई हुई एक वॉल है।
2050, Delhi is living under heat wave. The temperature is down to 60 plus, and people are struggling to breathe. And जब रुकने लगी सांस तो खोलो एक बोतल की आस।
तो हमारे ब्रांड का नाम है एक्वा ताज। तो इससे आप लोग समझ सकते हैं कि एक्वा ताज का क्या लेवल होगा। जब आप हमारा एक्वा ताज अल्कलाइन वाटर पिएंगे तो आपका हेल्थ अच्छा होगा। जब हेल्थ अच्छा होगा तो आपका दिमाग काम अच्छा करेगा। और इसकी टैगलाइन है थिंक प्योर ड्रिंक प्योर।
हमारा पानी का नाम है SDM प्योर अल्कलाइन वाटर। इसका टैगलाइन है अच्छा पियो अच्छा जियो।
The brand name is प्यास। होता ये है कि अभी टैगलाइन यही लिखा है कि प्रयास प्यास बुझाने की।
I feel this is one of the USP of our platform. One side we are tracking your active participation every moment, and another way we are also giving reward because you are helping to grow our organization. Somewhere it's a win-win situation for everyone. So thank you very ma'am for sharing this beautiful feature. Thank you.
The product is useful and this is something they have gone out of the box कि 2050 में ये product काम आएगा. And still they came up with a really good idea. So it was innovative, it was useful. Pitch तो अजय सर का बहुत बढ़िया था, all of us know.
जब रुकने लगे सांस तो खोलो एक बोतल की आस और बुझाओ अपना
डॉक्टर प्यास
इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की है आईना कुछ खबर मेरे याद की
नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए ऐसा कोई साथी हो ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए
हाँ ही हो हिया 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 हाँ देखा ना है रे सोचा ना है रे रख दी निशाने पे जा कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है बस यही अरमान अरे दिल दीवाना दिल सजना के माने ना दिल दीवाना बिन सजना के माने ना ए पगला है समझाने से समझे ना
ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना
I started working on movies in the way back in 1998. I have done around 54 movies in Kannada as a playback singer and music composer.
ಏನು ನಿನ್ನ ಹನಿಗಳ ಲೀಲೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಲ ಸಾಲೆ ದರೆಯ ಪುರಲ ಪ್ರೇಮದ ಮಾಲೆ ಸುರಿವ ಒಲುಮೆಯ